Access the STAT Canvas course through student support. Make sure to join the course before making an appointment. Click on the calendar icon. Select Find Appointment. Select STAT Team and click Submit. Find the campus and time you would like, and click. Read the details, add any comments you might need, and click Reserve. After reserving your appointments, click Close. Your Canvas calendar will now show the appointments reserved. And now, a short video of the process. Thanks for watching.